You're with Dr. Nita Chhinzer, and in this episode, we're planning external recruitment. Once an employer knows and addresses their recruitment constraints, the organization has to begin to plan for what method they will use. A recent study asked over 500 job seekers what method led them to find the job that they secured in the last 6 months. The top 3 answers were online job boards at 41%, networking at 25%, and social media at 13%. Online job boards include internet-based job boards like Career Builder, Indeed, the Canadian Job Bank, and corporate websites that have a careers or hiring section. Networking includes things like employee referrals, open houses, job fairs, professional and trade associations, links to education or labor organizations, or connections with military personnel. Social media includes things like X, previously known as Twitter, or Instagram. Facebook's friend-finding function also helps recruiters learn more about prospective and actual candidates. In reality, these 3 recruitment methods are not mutually exclusive. Let's drill down only on employee referrals for this episode. Research shows that 30 to 50% of vacancies are filled with some level of employee referrals in the recruitment process. This often includes current or past employees encouraging friends, relatives, family to apply for a position in a company, or reposting job ads for vacancies at the companies they work at to their own networks. The Journal of Applied Psychology recently published a review that amalgamated the results of 101 published studies regarding referral-based recruitment. The results show that referrals are beneficial for 3 main reasons. 1. Employees actively advocate for both the organization and the applicant being referred, providing trustworthy information to both parties. 2. An employee who is hired through a referral has a more positive employment outcomes, including things like higher job performance, lower exit rates, better job attitudes when compared with those hired without referrals. 3. Referrals help organizations gain access to passive job seekers, specifically those who are not actively seeking employment or may be currently employed but open to changing employers if a better job opportunity fits. However, there are some notable challenges with employee referrals. 1. Since people tend to socialize and work with others that they have something in common with, like similar ability, education level, demographics, referrals actually fail to build a more diverse applicant pool. 2. The organization's employees might use their own judgment to pre-screen their network, which can lead to false judgments about who might be a good fit before suggesting the job to a candidate or the candidate to a job. Without proper training about the basics of recruitment and selection, the employees could pre-screen out potential referrals based on inaccurate, ineffective, or biased judgment. Clearly, there is a need to cast a wide net during external recruitment in order to attract the best aligned candidates. Gone are the days where employees would stand in line with resumes in hand, and employers have embraced online job boards, networking, and social media. But it is important to develop some expertise, referee support and training, and metrics to ensure that these tools are being used effectively and in a legally defensible way.